Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and this is your Walgreens preview for the week of June the 19th to the 25th. So we're looking at deals jumping into the future. Now, just to let you guys know, about a month ago, they changed the ad around where I can't read the fine print till Sunday morning. So this video is more of an overview of some deals. I have been doing this forever, so I kind of know the coupons that are coming out, but I might be wrong as well. So always on Sunday, June the 19th, around 6 o'clock in the morning, check your digital coupons to double, triple check that we are on the same page of music. Okay, so first thing this morning, guys, this showed up in one of my accounts, and it is always your mileage may vary. It's a booster for 5 back when you spend 20. So again, your mileage may vary. It's valid from the 19th to the 25th. It is of a one-time use. And this digital with a paper booster, yes, they do in fact stack. For the balance, use your debit card, credit card, or cash bills. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, or it will mess everything up. Okay, so this Sunday, let's not forget, it is Father's Day. So happy Father's Day to all the dads out there that like to coupon and save money. You rock, and it's Father's Day. First dealio we're going to talk about is this $2.79. This has been a deal of the month, but for whatever reason this week, they've dropped the price by 20 cents on these Palmolive Fabuloso Suavitel home products. Buy 2, get $3 of Walgreens cash, just to give you a quick little peek. And hopefully your stores still have them. Like, people didn't go and buy absolutely everything. But people haven't really been talking about this deal. These are the 20 ounces of the Palmolive. And then, see where my hand is? Not the Snuggle, but that little Suavitel fabric softener. And then we have the Fabuloso floor cleaner. And I think Ajax is also part of this too, but I didn't grab a photo. And then here's the promotion. When you buy 2, you get back $3 in Walgreens cash. So if by chance you might have one of these $5 register rewards from last week, let's throw one of these in this deal. A lot of people are like, you can't use it for anything. Well, we're going to use it for a deal. I'm going to show you how. So grabbing 2 of the Palmolives for $5.58, using that $5 store coupon, you're paying 58 cents, getting back $3 in Walgreens cash, making this a super smart deal. Now, if you don't have that store coupon and you just want to use $5 in Walgreens cash, if you're not using this with the booster, that's totally fine. Okay, so for these next 2 deals, if you want to do them before Sunday, it's fine because the coupons are valid right now, or the offers are valid. This coupon's valid from the 15th to the 21st, so you have to do this by Tuesday. It's a buy one, get one free on Coca-Cola Smart Water. Coke at Walgreens is $2.49, so you'll get one for free. You're basically paying $2.49 for the 2, or $1.24 per soft drink. Okay, so this is, I believe, a month-long price for these Baby Ruth candy bars. This is one product, I bring it into the house. My husband's like, I brought in a brick of gold. He loves these. So they're 50 cents a piece. And if you go over to your Checkout 51 account, 38 cents back per candy bar with a limit up to 5 times. If you look at the bottom of the deck, it says valid only. Walgreens is the last store included. So, hey, that's like a lot of cheap candy bars. So grabbing 6 of them for $3, that's $3 you'll pay, and then get back $1.90 from Checkout 51. So that 38 cents times 5. So $1.10 for the 6, or 18 cents per candy bar. You put these in a very creative way around one of those free Father's Day cards. I mean, that is a really nice gift, I think. It's cheap too. The next little dealio that we have is on these Olay body washes for $6.49. Let's go back to last December, towards the end of the month, early January. There was a black double Christmas kit of Olay. It had a wash and a little tiny fancier wash. And then inside of it, there was a 4 off of 2 coupon. I recently found these. I'm like, oh my gosh, this doesn't expire till September. So let's use 2 of these with one of these boosters with this deal. And possibly we might get some more generous Olay coupons, although those haven't been really showing up lately. So let's use this 4 off of 2, shall we? Grabbing 4 of those body washes, that's $25.96. Use 2 4 off of 2 from those Christmas kits. You're paying $17.96 with your debit card, as we're going to use that 5 back when you spend 20 booster. So we'll have that loaded. You're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, plus a $5 store register reward, making it $7.96 for the 4, or $1.99 per body wash. As we're using that booster, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. Okay, in some of these deals of the week, we have 3 for $10.99 for the 7-Up soft drinks. 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 3 for $10.99 for the 7-Up soft drin those good ones. BOGO free for the Fruit Loops. We have some K-Cups for $5.99. That is a really good deal as well. Now, these ones I won't do a matchup for, but on Sunday, what are the digital coupons for this? To buy 3 for $9 and then get back a $5 store register reward. That might have some merit to it. We're going to have to see the digital coupons, and usually Crest, they provide really generous coupons, along with $15 for the Tresemme. Buy 3, get a $5 store register reward. Will they give us like a 5 off of 2? We'll have to see on Sunday morning, but that possibly could be a really good, deal. When you press shop offer, it goes nowhere, but it used to show us like the fine print of the deal. So that's why I really can't like give you, the hard facts right now, as we're just kind of going with possibly maybe, but this might potentially be a deal. Okay, 2 for $11. If there's something to get back with that, possibly, but I'm not really seeing anything with that. BOGO 50% off of Scott and all that good stuff. One of you guys who works at Walgreens actually saw the coupon booklet, the IVCs for July, and the $1.25 for Scott is still there, so that's still going to happen. We also have these digital coupons that are not expiring for a little bit, so we can use them again this week if you forgot to use them the week previous, like somebody over here. Grabbing 2 Scott, a paper towel and toilet paper, that's $7.50. Buy 2, get 50% off, subtracting the $1 off each. You're paying $5.50 for the 2. If you want to use a little bit of Walgreens cash or store register rewards, by all means, go for it. Let's stock up on paper. Okay, so this deal is back 2 for 2 for the Complete Home, which is a Walgreens brand of the foil. And if you grill, you know the value of this for $1 per. Grabbing 4 of them for $4, use $4 in Walgreens cash and pay all the tax. This is one of these things I do like to stockpile. Tinfoil never goes bad. So definitely, if you are a home cook, this is something to buy. And then we have the Bic Soleil razors, $5.99. Earn $4 in-store reward when you buy 2. That is interesting. Now, we have this $2 digital, and it is expiring on the 19th, which is Sunday, so you're going to have to do this deal Sunday. Over on IBOTTA, double, triple check that you're going to get your $2 back when you buy 2, so that's a little something as well. Looking at the math for this one, 2 of the Schick disposable razors is $11.98. Subtracting the $2 digital, you're paying $9.98. Getting back a $4 register reward. $2 from IBOTTA, making it $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per razor. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash or store register reward, by all means, go for it. Now, this deal is back, $8 per Dove product. Earn a $4 in-store reward when you buy 2. I would love to see a high-value coupon on this. Is it going to be there? Yes or no? I don't know. Usually they give us a 2 off a 2, but the weeks that the inserts are having a BOGO free, it's the one that usually pops up. So grabbing 2 of the Dove body washes for $16, let's just say we have a 2 off a 2 hypothetically. You'd pay $14, get back your $4 reward when you buy 2, making it $10 for the 2, $5 per body wash. Now, if there's possibly a 4 off a 2 or an 8 off a 2, you're cooking with a lot more like the higher temperature gas, and that's what I'd love to see. If you want to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, go for it. $5 per body wash. We've seen better. The Olay deal's better if you have those coupons. But maybe if there's a really generous Dove coupon, possibly we might have a better deal. We'll have to wait and see on Sunday. Okay, and for all the parents out there, we have 2 for $22 on the Pampers and then $5 reward when you purchase 3. Let's throw in this digital, which is a 6 off of 3, very generous, along with this booster for this deal. So we're going to grab 3 bags, and yes, the third one will ring up for $11, so the 3 is at $33, subtracting our 6 off of 3 digital, plus we have that booster loaded. You're going to pay $27 with your debit card, get back a $5 store register reward, $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $17 for the 3 or $5.66 per bag. Remember, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay it down, and look at the different rebate apps in case there's something back for Pampers. Wouldn't that be nice? Now we're going to talk about some quick honorable mentions. We have BOGO free on various vitamins and supplements. We have 3 for $12.99 for the various Coke products, 3 for $10.99 7-Up, like all the different soft drinks. More food, $12.99 for Starbucks. Oh my gosh, that's expensive. BOGO free for the Lindsay olives, 99 cents for the tuna, maybe some cheaper pantry items. And then also the pizza, 2 for $11. You could throw one of those on a grill, and happy Father's Day. And BOGO free for the Heinz, also a very good deal over at Walgreens. And some adult beverages, you get a $5 mail-in rebate. You basically send it to the manufacturer with your receipt and the UPC from the box and get back a check for that amount once per household. But if you wanted to do something different for Father's Day, this might be it. As always, thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.